And now South Korea, which enjoyed a lot of stability for quite a long time, political stability has become actually a case of study. And we are seeing presidents after presidents getting removed from their posts, impeachment proceedings, but those impeachment proceedings are not taking the legal way, because the appointment of judges in the Constitutional Court of South Korea is being postponed or delayed, or there are not sufficient judges. There are 6 judges right now, but then all of them will have to vote in that favor or otherwise. So there is lack of judges, and the President Yoon and the acting president, both of them are not appointing new judges. So why so? I think that they don't want to do it purposefully, because once the impeachment takes place, and then following that is the inquiry on the declaration of emergency will take place, many people will be exposed, not just the people of South Korean origin or South Korean politics, but also I think people sitting in Washington and people sitting in the American embassy in Seoul, because America has a lot of interference in the polity of South Korea, and I can't believe that without taking suggestion and actually permission from Americans, that decision of imposing of emergency and curbing of newspapers and free media was taken by themselves. There was a green light from Americans, definitely, and I think the reason behind that was that the current system or the current political system or the current political people in position should stay there, and Americans might have thought that they will make a good the emergency and the return of the emergency rule, and you can say military type of rule will lead to strengthening of the American position vis-a-vis North Korea in that particular region. We should not forget that American soldiers are there, and South Korea is a treaty-bound ally of United States of America, and I think that is the reason we are not getting a lot of what we can say post-mortem in the Western newspaper about this thing. So this is the reason, probably, what I think.